I've been wanting to get my hands on this one. The SignalTEK QT series just launched. It's a cloud connected tester that does copper, fiber, and Wi-Fi qualification from one device. The Pro model I have here is the full fiber version. So let's see what we're working with. All right, first thing, they sent over this hard shell case. It's a solid protection, latches feel good. This is what you want if it's bouncing around in the van or going on a plane. Let's crack this thing open. There she is, the SignalTEK QT Pro. Good size in the hand, not too heavy, color display. You've got your RJ45 port here, SFP plus slot right there for your fiber modules, VFL port, that's your visual fault locator, external Wi-Fi antenna connector, USB-C for charging, and dual USB-A ports on the side. Okay, let's see what else is in here. We've got the copper remotes. If you need to do rapid testing on a big job, they sell kits with up to 12 of these. And here's a 1 meter Cat6a shielded patch cord for your baseline testing. Now here's where it gets interesting for you fiber guys. First up, the 850 nanometer Multimode SFP module. High stability, snaps right into the SFP plus slot. The tester auto detects whatever module you put in and sets the pass fail limits automatically. That's pretty cool. Fiber patch cords. We've got an LC to LC OM3 duplex here and an LC to SC OM3 duplex. So you're covered for the two most common connector types right out of the box. Now these are key. Your fiber loopback remotes, one LC, one SC. These let you do insertion loss and length testing without needing a second unit. You just run your fiber to the far end, plug in the loopback, and the tester shoots light through and measures what comes back. Simple qualification workflow. More fiber goodies. We've got an FC to LC adapter for the visual fault locator, a duplex C coupler, and a duplex LC coupler. And they threw in cleaning tools, a 2.5 millimeter and 1.25 millimeter fiber cleaning pins. And the last thing, USB-C charger with swappable plug heads. And the battery on this thing is 54 watt hours. They claim about 10 hours of runtime. On a big job, that does matter. So first impressions, this is a lot of capability in one device. Copper qualification up to 10 gig, fiber qualification up to 100 gig with the right SFPs, Wi-Fi scanning, PoE load testing up to 90 watts. Everything syncs to their Trend AnyWARE Cloud. Your PM can set up the job in the office, Field Tech picks up the tester and it's already configured. Reports go straight to the cloud, no more emailing PDFs.